Hey, what's up everyone? Today I got something fun to unbox. It's a Pro Mini Hoop Showtime from SKLZ. If you ever wanted a mini basketball hoop for your room, office, or man cave, this might be the one. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I picked this up at Costco for $34.99. Here is the 18-inch by 12-inch shatterproof polycarbonate backboard and the instruction manual. One thing I wasn't too happy with is that the backboard arrived with several fine surface scratches. Inside the bag, we've got the steel rim, the pump and net, mini basketball, and inside the small bag, we have the rim plate, the remote control, 3 AAA batteries, 3 nuts and bolts, and the wrench. To mount the rim, start by sliding the 3 bolts into the rim plate. Just line up the bolts with the holes on the backboard and push them through. Flip the backboard over and align the rim base holes with the bolts, slide it into position, and then thread the nuts onto the bolts and tighten them to secure it. Attach the net to the rim by looping the long end of the net over the metal loops. One thing I really like about this backboard is that it's not flimsy at all. It's 4.9 millimeters thick and it feels pretty solid. Unscrew the cover door, insert the 3 AAA batteries included in the package, then replace and screw the cover back on. Flick the switch to turn it on. Use the included pump to inflate the mini basketball. The backboard easily attaches to any door. Use the remote control to turn it on. The 9-inch spring action steel rim means you can actually dunk on this thing and it snaps right back into place. It has a built-in sensor that automatically detects when the ball goes through the hoop, keeps track of your score, and plays one of 3 different sound effects. There's also a shot clock timer mode that gives you a little bit over a minute to hit as many shots as you can. It has 16 different colors to choose from, along with a variety of lighting effects. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this purchase, and I might even pick up a second one.
He's on fire!
Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.